Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to build and integrate your own Copilot custom agent from setup all the way to deployment. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to design, connect, and use an AI agent inside Microsoft 365 that isn't just generic but fully tailored to your business or personal workflows. So, what exactly is a custom Copilot agent? Think of it as your own personal AI assistant, but one you can actually shape and train. Instead of only answering basic questions, you can give it access to your company's data, integrate it with apps you already use like Teams, Outlook, or Excel, and have it automate repetitive tasks. That could be anything from managing employee leave requests to answering customer FAQs to even generating financial summaries on demand. The power here is flexibility. You decide what the AI does for you. To start building one, you'll need a Microsoft 365 business subscription and access to Copilot Studio. Copilot Studio is Microsoft's no-code design platform where you can build, test, and even deploy your own AI copilots without writing a single line of code. Once you log in, you land on the dashboard, click New Agent, and give your assistant a name, a short description, and a clear purpose. For example, you might call it HR Copilot with a description, handles employee leave requests and policy FAQs. Or maybe Finance Copilot that can respond to invoice queries and generate budget breakdowns. From here, the customization begins. You can upload files like policy documents, connect data sources such as SharePoint, OneDrive, or internal knowledge bases, and even plug in external services using connectors. Microsoft provides ready to use connectors for popular apps like Salesforce, ServiceNow, and Dynamics 365, but you can also create your own using custom APIs. This means your Copilot can go beyond answering questions, it can actually take action within your existing system. Next, you'll design how the agent talks using Copilot Studio's drag and drop interface. You can define conversation flows and prompts. For example, if someone asks, "How do I apply for annual leave?" Your Copilot could not only explain the process, but also send them the correct HR form directly. If an employee asks about sales data, your Copilot could pull the numbers straight from an Excel file in OneDrive. The more context and examples you give it, the smarter and more useful it becomes. Now comes testing. Copilot Studio includes a built-in chat window where you can ask your new agent real-world questions and watch how it responds. If the answers don't sound right, you can adjust the knowledge base, refine prompts, or tweak the tone of each response until it feels natural. When you are satisfied, just hit publish. At this point, you will decide where your Copilot lives. It can be deployed directly into Microsoft Teams, embedded in a company website, or even integrated into your own business applications. Wherever your team already works, that's where your Copilot can show up. The real magic comes with automation. A well-designed Copilot custom agent doesn't just answer questions. It can perform real actions. Imagine an IT support agent that files tickets automatically, or a finance agent that updates a spreadsheet as soon as a new request comes in. These small automations save teams hours of repetitive work every week and allow people to focus on higher value tasks. Of course, if you run into issues, there are a couple of common troubleshooting steps. First, make sure your Microsoft 365 permissions allow access to the data sources you have connected. Second, double check that your connectors are active and linked correctly. And finally, just remember that the more structured your training data, the more accurate and reliable your agent will be. With Copilot custom agents, you are no longer stuck with one size fits all AI. You can build assistants that reflect your brand voice, understand your processes, and scale across your organization with ease. This is where the future of AI in the workspace is heading, and you can start shaping it today. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.